Hi guys! For today's video, ayan, tignan niyo si Kael. Trip niya pong mag-drawing dyan. So, nag-search siya ng tutorial na how to draw that, ganyan. Parang ang drawing niya yata dyan is a duck. So, tignan natin siya guys. Galing ah. Tingnan drawing mo.
Okay, it said.
Wow! What's that?
A duck.
Attack. Wow! You're so galing naman, my baby.
Wait a minute, I have no orange, but I have red. Yes, red. Okay, let's see. I have black. I have. Here we go. Wow, yellow color time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ang galing mo na mag-drawing ng duck, baby. You're good in the drawing mo, ah. More pa. Dito pa. Yellow pa yan. Galing.
Let's show my papa's drawing, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Pa, look, oh.
Is that a duck? Huh?
And another one is...
Saan na?
Sa unahan, baby.
Huh?
Andiyan sa unahan.
And where?
Ito, baby. Ito ba yun? Yan. O, yan.
And Pa, look.
What's that? What's that?
A boat.
Is that a boat? In the sea?
Yeah. Okay, another one.
What's the other one? The duck?
Where's another drawing again?
Ano ba yun? Isa?
The toys.
The toys? Saan mo kasi pinaglalagay, baby ko?
I see video with...
Wait lang, baby. We're fine pa, oh. Last natin lang, eh. Kaya mo na.
Okay.
This one? That one? A toy, a ball. Right.
Pa, look at this, huh?
What's that?
A ball.
A ball?
Yeah.
kasi ganyan?
Okay, let me throw another one.
Wala na.
I will know it. I will know how to draw simply draw.
Okay, tomorrow again. Baby? Tomorrow again?
Wow, I know how to draw. Huh? It's impossible. How?
What?
Okay.